My name is Mary Aileen Reed. I was nominated in the Heritage category. I am a member of the Ramara Historical Society. I am also an independent historical researcher, story collector, and storyteller, and I began the Ramara Voice Facebook group, which is also an online digital archive. Through connecting with our past, we discover who we are when we're telling each other stories, and we're sharing our grief, we're sharing our love, we're sharing our joy, we're sharing our hardships. And with history in particular, we're also sharing our lessons, because we learn from our mistakes in order to do better. And when we know better, we do better. So to me, it's very important to educate about our past so that we can do better in the future. The number one thing that drives me is I love my Ramara community. I've been able to reach out to other local historians who have kind of guided me. They've helped me share my stories. I love when I hear from residents from Ramara and they share stories that they have been passed down through generations, from their grandparents, from their great-grandparents. And you will find that when they share their stories, other people come in and start adding to it. And so I kind of see it as like a great people quilt, a great storytelling quilt, where every person is a little piece of that quilt. And when you put it all together, you know, it makes this wonderful little story that we can all share.